Hi, my name is Mathin and we've got a really special video for you guys today, so let's dive right in. We are here at 1200 Alberni Street in Vancouver's West End neighborhood to walk you guys through our latest full condo renovation project. So let's get out of this rain and go check out the unit. Our clients approach us for this project with the idea of designing a unit that not only meets their aesthetic vision, but also appeals to the vast majority as they are looking to sell the unit over the next year or two and move on to a bigger space. We work together to create a timeless design, including white shaker millwork, black accessories and hardware, and concrete countertops and backsplashes. So let's check out the space, see how everything turned out. Thank you for joining us on this post-construction walkthrough. We hope you've enjoyed it. Please let us know your thoughts down below in the comment section and subscribe to us if you'd like to see more completed projects in the Vancouver area. If you have a project of your own that you'd like to discuss with us, we'll put our contact information down below. Please reach out to us and we'd be happy to help you. Thanks again and catch you on the next one.